Back at it again, you know, and done the place, you know, and me are the top chef, you know. Wow, go on. Look at that. Look at that, man. Hear me and say, no, man. Today me feel hungry, you know, some more and something quick. Tilapia, you see me, where I get some sea creature and drop them in the pot. You see me and say, hear me and say, after that we I get with ingredients them ready for the sandwich. You see me and say, cause today we I make a sea creature sandwich. You see me and say, so you don't know, you take them and you put them out on the paper towel cause them ready. Time to make the sandwich, get your hard dough bread, toast it. You see me and say, drop the sea creature on the bread. You see me and say, drop some tomato, some onion, the purple one them better for you. You see me and say, get them one, the other one them no good for you like that. You see me and say, hear me and say, get the scotch bonnet pepper, you see me and say, from Grace. So Grace, you know you have to go link me. Avocado, drop it, you see me and say, cause me hit that pan everything, you see it. Hear me and say, no man, drop the top on it just like that. Hear me and say, the sea creature sandwich ready. Bust it in half just like that. Then what, open it just like that. Look at that. Look at that, man. The original sea creature sandwich. You see me and say, this good for you too. You see me and say, look at that. I done the place, you know. Time for consume.